Hello. Welcome to Walkthrough ZA. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the easy process to help you list your rental with us. Let's dive right in.
Step 1. Visit our website. Once you're on our website, click on the List with Us tab in our navigation menu. Now, learn more about listing with us and choose your preferred listing option. After selecting your option, you'll see a button on the option you want to choose. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with your listing. Moving on to the next step. Scroll down to find the rental listing option. Complete your listing by providing the required information about your listing. Once you've filled in the details, scroll down to the next section, where you'll find information about the attachments. To continue, press on the Proceed button. Ensure you have all the necessary attachments, upload them here and scroll down to complete your payment for the rental listing fee. After submitting the necessary attachments, scroll down, then press on Proceed to Payment to continue. If you choose the Already a Subscriber option, you will have to verify your subscription. For first-time listers, you will have to pick the Proceed to Payment option. View our packages, then click on the Proceed button. Take your time to go through the terms and conditions for your listing, then press Accept to continue. Payments are easy to make with our Yoko payment gateway. Simply fill in the information and the amount for your package and proceed with the payment.
Congratulations! You've successfully listed your products on our platform. Thank you for choosing to partner with us.